The ZCDWLR is the next generation two-zone comfort control and meets the builder's requirement for uniformly comfortable two-story homes and 2- and 3-story townhomes, but at a lower cost and easier installation than traditional zoning. The control meets the changing needs of today's home buyers by automatically providing a uniformly comfortable home, or comfort can be focused to the upstairs zone or downstairs zone. The ZCDWLR wireless version was recognized for excellence in product design in the 2024 Dealer Design Awards program, sponsored by the ACHR News, and was awarded the Gold in the Residential Controls category. Let's take a look at what makes two-zone comfort controls a winner for contractors, builders, and homeowners. The ZCDWLR features patented airflow control technology that significantly cuts installation time by eliminating installing bypass, a discharge air temperature sensor, a separate transformer and wiring, a zone panel, and an upstairs thermostat. Only one HERS test is required compared to the 3 zonal tests required in traditional zoning. Less installation time using lower skilled labor is a huge benefit when faced with a shortage of qualified labor and higher labor costs. Builders save about $300 or more per installation. While the thermostat controls the HVAC equipment, the two-zone comfort control automatically controls the distribution of heating and cooling to the zones based on the zone temperatures. The ZCDWLR works with your choice of thermostat, including simple thermostats, smart thermostats, OEM thermostats, and even OEM communicating thermostats. And because only one thermostat is required compared to the 2 thermostats required in traditional zoning, builders can offer homeowners a smart, modern thermostat that exceeds homeowner expectations without breaking the bank. Let's take a look at the simple installation. Any 24 VAC thermostat is installed and wires to the equipment. The two-zone comfort control is typically installed in the downstairs zone and connects to the thermostat for 24 VAC power. 2 modulating plug-and-play dampers are installed, one in the trunk feeding the upstairs zone and one in the trunk feeding the downstairs zone. The damper control module is installed near the equipment, and 4 wires are used to connect to gas electric or heat pump equipment to power the damper control and to monitor heating and cooling calls. The dampers connect to the damper control using the included plug-and-play cables. A low-cost wired temperature sensor is installed in the upstairs sleeping zone and wires to the damper control. The two-zone control wirelessly communicates with the damper control and is shipped pre-linked and ready to operate. Now let's look at how the system controls comfort. The thermostat controls the equipment, while the two-zone comfort control monitors the equipment for heating and cooling calls and monitors the downstairs temperature at the control and the upstairs temperature at the sensor. If the upstairs and downstairs temperatures differ by 2 degrees or more, the two-zone control automatically distributes more heating or cooling to the zone that needs it. To distribute more heating or cooling upstairs, the upstairs damper fully opens and the downstairs damper closes 2% every 2 minutes, forcing more heating or cooling to the upstairs zone, improving comfort upstairs without overheating or overcooling the downstairs. To distribute more heating or cooling downstairs, the downstairs damper fully opens and the upstairs damper closes 2% every 2 minutes, forcing more heating or cooling to the downstairs zone, improving comfort downstairs without overheating or overcooling the upstairs. The two-zone comfort control dynamically adjusts the dampers to find the right distribution of heating or cooling to provide a balanced, uniformly comfortable home and save energy in every season. The damper actuator uses less than 2 VA when positioning and 1 VA when holding position and has twice the torque of most spring return actuators. The actuator uses a DC motor with electronic control for long life and has been tested to over 9 million cycles. Plug-and-play connection eliminates wiring errors. Every home buyer has unique comfort needs, and the ZCDWLR control meets these needs. For a uniformly comfortable home, automatic comfort will keep the upstairs and downstairs temperatures within 2 degrees. Upstairs zone not being used, the homeowner can focus more heating or cooling downstairs and less to the unoccupied upstairs, improving comfort and saving energy. Home office in the upstairs zone. The homeowner can focus more heating or cooling upstairs and less downstairs, again improving comfort and saving energy. The homeowner can save 30% in energy at night by using auto sleep to automatically direct 30% more heating or cooling to the upstairs sleeping zone and 30% less to the unoccupied downstairs zone. The ZCDWLR 2-Zone Comfort Control meets the builder's requirement for a uniformly comfortable home at a much lower cost and is much easier to install. No bypass, discharge air temperature sensor, zoning panel, upstairs thermostat, or transformer, making it a powerful solution for builders and contractors for providing the homeowner with improved comfort and energy savings. To learn more or to join the growing number of builders and contractors using 2-Zone Comfort Controls, give us a call.